Hi and welcome back to a new art journal page. Today I am using my doodle watercolor flowers. I have linked up a video where I draw these flowers in the info box on the top right corner. For the background I'm starting with Distress Oxide inks together with some stencils from STAMPlorations, and I'm working in my Strathmore watercolor journal. I'm playing totally intuitively today, without any plan. I'm going in with Gesso to add more white space to my page. At this point I decided to go in with some heavy gesso to get a better coverage. I'm using a brush stamp from the artist plate from Rubber Dance to create the bottom of my page. And I'm also playing with the old book page for more texture and interest. I decided to add some collage papers. These are old book pages and I use smart medium to glue them down. It's time for more gesso and I'm applying it with the palette knife to create some interesting texture. I'm using the Neocolor crayons to add more shadings and a little bit more color. I'm drawing kind of a vase for the flowers, and I'm using the same technique that I've used for the doodle flowers. That means that I just looked at the screen and painted the jar blind. After that I go in with my permanent ink and redraw the lines that I like. I'm using the Arteza 36 half pen watercolors to color in my vase. I'm using the Postcard stamp from Rubber Dance to add a little bit of texture to my vase. When I cut it out, I leave a white border around it to make it pop from the background when I glue it down to my journal page. Again, there's a link to the video for the doodle flowers in the top right corner. I picked out a few of them and also some more I drew the day later and cut them out. I also leave a white border around them to make them pop even more. I arrange them onto my page, and when I'm happy with the result, I glue them down. Here is the finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope we see us next time. Bye!